How to get Nitro customized profile without Discord Nitro. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Google and search for WinCode. After that, you need to download this, and I hope you know how to download it. After that, you can open up your Discord and check out the settings of your Discord app. Over there, you would be able to find different plugins in the WinCode section, and there you would be able to find the fake Nitro and fake profiles plugin. Simply use these plugins in order to change your profile or customize your profile quite easily, like the color of your profile, the appearance, and all sort of things. You can also add the decorations by simply searching up for the decor, and this way you can use this decor option or the plugin in order to add the decorations to your profile. And this is one of the easiest ways to customize your profile on Discord without using Discord Nitro, but you have to do it on your Discord rather than the website like I am doing. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.